Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to check and manage your T Mobile auto, you can select auto pay, you can select plans. Okay, so you can see all the steps on your screen. First of all, you need to install application in your phone. If you have already done this tasks, then you need to log in into your app. So once you log in into your app, you will see this kind of window, and you can see over here manage auto pays. There is an option like manage auto pays. You can select this option and you can manage your, you can like auto pays over here. If you have any kind of auto pay, then you can easily manage. And you can see over here my auto pay status is on right now, so we can see my billing options and make a payment. You can do anything. You can cancel your auto pays also, you can do anything. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And if you find what is their T-Mobile account number, so on this area on the top side where you can see like this arrow button, there you can see your T-Mobile account number over here. And I have hide this information due to YouTube policies, so you can see your account number over on the top side. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make a comment if you are facing any issue. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and bye bye.